This child's rocking chair has a seat height of just 7 inches. It doesn't look it, but this is probably one of the most challenging builds that I've done. Working out how to drill all those angled holes really started to do my head in. I've used cypress pine for this project, 3/4 of an inch thick. This is for the backrest. I wasn't sure how thick I needed it, so I laminated 4 pieces together. I only needed 3 in the end. I designed the chair with 15-degree angles from vertical, so I built a jig that I could use on the drill press. I glued a piece of wood perpendicular to the angle. This allowed me to rotate the jig on the drill press so I could drill the angle on 2 planes. I used my standard method of drawing patterns that I could put on A4 pieces of paper and then glue them onto the board. This is the stage when I realised that success was actually possible. All the pieces are just pushed together at this stage. But it's looking good. Everything looks correct. You can see from this piece how I've drawn lines on the pattern. By using my jig and making this line perpendicular to the drill press, I get the right angled hole. With the name cut out of the backrest, this chair is unlikely to be regifted. It's now all assembled, ready for final sanding. All the drill angles turned out pretty right, so I used hardly any putty in this job. I've used a French polish type finish on this, using shellac flakes mixed with metho and then applied with a rag. The first coat's on and it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes to dry. Then lightly sand and repeat. After 6 applications I finished off with Carnauba wax. This wax gives a nice hard gloss finish. And here's the finished product. Took about a half day to cut the material and laminate it, then a day to build and another half day to sand and finish.